研究中のスフレパンケーキを作ります。Let's go. Add 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of milk, a few drops of vanilla essence, 15 grams of flour, 2 grams of baking powder, and mix it together. In a separate bowl, beat 2 egg whites, add 15 grams of granulated sugar in 2 parts and beat until stiff peaks. Add half a tablespoon of the lemon juice and mix gently. Add 1/3 of the egg whites into the other mix. Add the rest of the egg whites and fold together. Scoop the mixture onto a pan at low heat, adding a scoop at 1-minute intervals. Flip the pancakes. Add half a tablespoon of water and pop on the lid for a minute and repeat. Cook for 3 minutes on each side. Finish with some powdered sugar and some whipped cream. Boom!